Now that you have your Garmin Approach Z10 rangefinder, we will guide you through setting up your new device. First, open the box and remove the contents. This will include the case, quick start guide, and CR2 battery. Next, open the case. Remove the Approach Z10 from the protective sleeve. Now, install the battery. To open, turn the battery cover counterclockwise. Insert the battery with the negative side down facing the spring. Reattach the battery cover by turning it clockwise. To power on your Approach Z10, press the power button. Your Approach Z10 will automatically power down after 15 seconds of inactivity. To wake the rangefinder, simply press the power button again. Your rangefinder is now ready to range targets. While viewing a target, you can adjust the eyepiece to focus. To target an object, use the crosshairs to center the object. Press the power button to view the distance to the object. You will feel a vibration from the device to confirm your target lock when targeting a flag. If you need to change the distance units of measure, press and hold the mode button. The units icon will begin to flash. Press the mode button again to switch between units of measure. Press the power button to confirm the selection. Next, we will show you how to pair your Approach Z10 rangefinder to the Garmin Golf App. While you can skip this option, it will update the software on your device and keep score in the Golf App. Now, download the Garmin Golf App on your compatible smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on Android smartphones. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Golf App. Sign in with your Garmin account or create a new account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. Next, select Profile, followed by My Devices. Select Add Device. Locate and select the Approach Z10. On your Approach Z10, press the power button to enter pairing mode. Select Start on the Garmin Golf App. Then, select Connected when your device is found. After the pairing is completed, your Approach Z10 rangefinder will automatically receive updates and install them after a sync. A flashing blue light will indicate your device is installing an update. This typically takes about a minute to complete. Additionally, you can choose to use your Approach Z10 in conjunction with your compatible Garmin smartwatch. Doing so will provide plays-like distance in front and back of the green measurements on your Approach Z10. Open the Settings menu to pair with your Garmin smartwatch. Select Sensors and Accessories. Select Add New. Select Rangefinder. On your Approach Z10, press the power button to enter pairing mode. You will see a completed screen on your smartwatch when paired. During a golf activity, your Approach Z10 rangefinder will now provide green and plays-like details. Additionally, your Approach Z10 is tournament ready. Simply press the mode button to enable tournament mode. When enabled, the tour light will be blue on the side of the rangefinder. Once your round has finished, press the mode button to disable tournament mode. Lastly, we will show you the various mounting solutions for your rangefinder. Your Approach Z10 rangefinder has a built-in magnet, and it can be attached to metal objects, including the golf cart. Next, let's talk about the carrying case. You can use the carabiner to clip the case onto your golf bag, cart, or other golf accessories. The case has two closing and opening positions. The first is the zipper, and the second is the elastic loop, which gives you quick access to the rangefinder. And that's it. You are now ready for the course with your Approach Z10 rangefinder. To learn more about your device, please visit support.garmin.com.